To prepare a manufacturing overhead budget, you will need to account for both variable and fixed costs. Let's start with variable costs. Variable costs fluctuate with the activity level, which in this case is measured by direct labor hours DLH. For each of the variable cost components, you'll multiply the rate per DLH by the total estimated hours for the quarter, coming from the direct labor budget. Thus, for the 6,200 direct labor hours required to produce 3,100 units in quarter 1, budgeted indirect materials are $6,200, 6,200 times $1, and budgeted indirect labor is $8,680, 6,200 times $1.40. Same thing for the remaining variable costs. So, for each quarter, we have to multiply the variable MO cost per cost driver direct labor hour by the number of labor hours of that quarter. After that, we add the fixed costs that remain the same regardless the activity level, the number of labor hours. Thus, the total MO cost is the sum of the variable and fixed costs.